The ultimate bike repair course. If you'd like an easy way to repair and maintain your bicycle, go check this out now, link in description below. My friend Dave has been a professional bike designer for years, and he has just released his step-by-step training course on bike repair and maintenance. Read his amazing story, and GT, link in description below. It is a no-fluff step-by-step guide that consists of over 200 videos and hundreds of pages of illustrated guides, which covers mountain, road, and racing bikes. This is by far the most comprehensive package ever developed on bike repair. It is packed with solid step-by-step instructions and easy-to-follow guides. The cool thing is, you don't have to be a mechanic to start working on your bike. Dave guides you through every step of the way, from simple procedures to the more complex ones. So check it out at link in description below. Act on this quickly before the door shuts, as the offer may be taken down very soon. Hope this helps. P.S. The one-on-one coaching Dave provides is worth much more than the entire package. I think he's crazy to offer that at the price, but go check it out and judge for yourself. Click the link in the description below to start download.